This video will demonstrate how to change a gasket on a Vacutech filter separator. Before servicing your equipment, turn your system completely off. Always follow proper lockout-tagout procedures. Make sure to allow 10 hours between doing this maintenance and turning your system on to allow the gasket to dry. If you're not sure what filter separator you have, measure the width, then the height. This is a 38-inch by 88-inch separator. To complete this task, you will need the following items. Begin by removing the door gasket, pulling it up and away from the lip of the separator. Clean the edge of the door with a scraper and Scotch-Brite. This is extremely important for the new separator door gasket to adhere properly. Start at the center of the opening on the hinge side. Press the gasket onto the lip of the filter separator. Pay careful attention to work the gasket into each of the 4 corners to make sure it is fully seated all the way around. Gently tap the gasket into the corners using the rounded head on the mallet. This ensures that the gasket is seated and won't come off. Be careful not to hit the gasket too hard, as this can cause vacuum leaks that decrease system performance or allow water into your separator. Once you've got the gasket on the door, it will be overhanging by a few inches. Take the overhanging piece and cut the gasket so it overlaps itself by 1 inch. Cut 1 inch between the gasket tube and the channel. Cut the channel completely off. Pinch the tube and feed it inside the end of the gasket. Seat it firmly onto the lip of the separator. This ensures there is no gap for air to leak through. Double check that the gasket is seated well around the entire rim. Close the separator door and adjust the latch using a crescent wrench. Tighten or loosen the nut on the back of the latch until the door seals tightly. Repeat this process for the gasket on the bottom door of the separator. Finally, turn your system on and look, listen, and feel to ensure there are no leaks around the door. If you have any questions about your Vacutech system, please visit www.vacutechllc.com or call 1-800-917-9444.